Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change your TikTok region or country. So in order to do this, first of all, open TikTok on your mobile phone. After opening TikTok, you will see videos appearing just right on your feed. Now, you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, this will open up this page. Here, you're going to click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to click on privacy option. Now, it will show options such as private account, activity status and different options. Simply click on the one that says location services. Now, when you click on location services, it will take you to this page. We'll have to choose never as the permission settings. Now, after choosing never, you'll have to click on open device settings and it will open up this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on permissions, then scroll down and click on the option that says location. Now, make sure that it is set at don't allow. Always make sure this is set at don't allow. Then go back and open TikTok again. Go back on the same page and click on delete certain location data. So TikTok automatically deletes the data it directly receives from your device's location services if it is older than 30 days. By selecting delete here, you may choose to delete this data at any time. So TikTok will continue to retain other less specific location information such as your city, etc. So click on delete option here. Now after doing this, you can go back and install VPN from your Play Store. So go to the search bar and type in VPN in Play Store. Then install any of these VPN. I'm going to use VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Click on open after installing this VPN, and when you open the VPN, the homepage of the VPN will look something like this. Here you'll have to just click on the connected location. Also, in order to change your region or country to a specific country, click on fastest location option at the top. Now choose the country from these free options. You can choose any country from this list. Click on it and click on this icon that is at the bottom. Then click on this icon, then it will instantly change or update your TikTok region country location instantly. So that is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.